Good morning!
Good morning, birthday girl!
Good morning! Guys, can we just take a second? Sorry, you're gonna have to excuse my hair. I've literally just got up. Rachel's literally decorated the whole room. She's brought me a little birthday tiara, a sash, like best believe I will be wearing this all day. I know, bride to be. But today is my birthday. It's Saturday. We've got a really fun day planned. It's actually, well, it's going to be a bit of a different day to what initially it should have been, because we did obviously think we were going to be here with Mads, Josh and Lucy. It's just going to be me and Rach at Ocean today. So I think rather than stick to having our like table, because we probably would not spend that much on alcohol, and if we did we'd end up in the hospital most likely, so we're just gonna go and just pay entry and and just have some drinks and just see where the wind takes us. Do you know what I mean? I feel like just see where the wind takes you.
I've never heard that phrase before.
Really? Oh, and we're gonna go to Passion this morning for breakfast as well, because it is my favourite breakfast in the world, and we went the other day and Rach really loved it as well, didn't you, Mom?
Yeah.
You look so like cozy back there. You're just like wrapped up. But yeah, it's looking a little bit cloudy today. It actually rained last night as well, which was quite random. But hopefully it perks up a little bit. In fact, let's see how warm it is outside on this lovely morning. Oh yeah, that is lovely. Oh, already people in the pool. That is basically the plan for the day. I don't know, we've not decided on dinner, have we? Because I feel like it depends on how the day goes. Like, we went to Ushuaia on Wednesday, was it? Oh, it was Thursday. Yeah. Our first like full day. And thought we were just going for like a nice relaxing day, which to be fair we did. It was actually a really like lovely day, but many things went wrong.
Quite literally. I was crying because I just felt fucked in so many ways. My leg had been fucked by a jellyfish. My back had been fucked by the sun. Like I was literally, you could have cooked scrambled eggs on my back. Like it's burned. And I was fucked pretty bad. In general, like 3 bottles of pink wine fizzy pop down.
Oh gosh,
I just like saw it. You walked in, you're like, are you crying?
Because I just like,
it wasn't a genuine cry.
No, but I just heard like this really small sob, and then I couldn't tell if you were laughing or crying, and I was like, are you crying?
It's because I was fucking starving as well, and I was like, but I feel so sick, I can't eat. Like
it's funny because when we got in, I feel like I was definitely the most drunk, so then we did like a complete 180 and like I came together and Rach was
whether
just
I've
like,
included it or not, but there's an 8-minute clip on my phone of
no, we can't
nonsense.
We can't talk about it because like
my nipples out.
Yeah, well, probably same. I have no idea what we spoke about, but anyway, that was Ushuaia. So we've mentally prepared ourselves today, because if it's anything like that day was, we will not be fit for dinner later.
Oh yeah, so. I was like, no, I think we should book a dinner for Saturday, because now it's just like 2 of us, like, and then I was like, well, actually, yeah, if it's anything like Wednesday, no.
We won't be going out for dinner. So yeah, we'll see. We're gonna assess. I mean, we managed to get a reservation for dinner last night, really last minute as well, which was super lucky. So I feel like if anything we could go there.
Like a birthday vibes dinner anyway. Like if we don't make it out later, I hope you don't mind.
No, I absolutely won't mind. But then I feel like if we do want to go, we can probably go there again, because they were pretty good about booking it last minute. Oh, it was actually so good. It was this place called like Tatel. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's in like the Hard Rock Cafe hotel. Yeah, it was so much fun. So I feel like we had a good birthday dinner last night anyway. But yeah, very excited for the day. I'm really sad that Mads isn't here. I feel like it doesn't feel quite complete without Mads, without the final without the final part of the trio. But yeah, I mean, we got to celebrate before we came, and obviously we'll see her really soon, and there will be many more trips to be had. So
on that note,
yeah, anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna continue to parade around in my sash and tiara. Thank you so much. I've literally told everyone I possibly can on this trip that it's my birthday. Anyway, let me quickly show you like how cute these decorations are. You're so good. You always find like the best bits and bobs.
They were giving me IBIZA vibes.
Yeah, they are very summer. We got the little pineapples. What?
You've got some champagne in the fridge you can have for breakfast.
Wow.
Champagne in the breakfast while I'm yawning.
It's not the worst. Dad's messaged me and he just put, happy birthday, Hannah. Hope you're having a lovely time. That's such a dad message. Like, that's so cute.
My dad doesn't even send me a message. My dad's just like via my mum.
Wait, the challenge.
Again. What do we have here?
Champagne in the breakfast while I'm yawning. That really has been the song.
Yeah, it has been. That is the mood. Oh wow. This has been our little like makeup station. In fact, I'm gonna set you up, guys. You can do birthday makeup with me and Rach.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, sorry, just like.
Sorry, but you know what? These lashes, I do actually really love them.
Yeah, I
Now
should
that my eyes are no longer singing.
I should have like. I thought I was doing the right thing by not getting them as full as I normally do because I always twiddle them out. But I should have just let them twiddle. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. I was saying I've got like, I don't know if you'll see on camera, like a ring from where that ring on my bikini top was. Oops. Oopsies. I'm honestly not being funny, but I feel like yesterday was one of my favourite days ever.
Yeah.
Like.
And sure, they say like that dinner was not planned, like.
No.
And it was like the best.
Yeah. That's been my favourite day so far.
Yeah.
Hands down. I mean, we've only been here like 2 days, but.
Like, but I want to go there again.
Yeah, I want to go there again. I want to go on the boat again. I was like, how do I get this lifestyle of just like living life on a boat?
A yacht wife.
Yeah, I want to be a yacht wife. For anyone out there who
They're
is looking
expensive,
for
you know.
one.
We were like just guessing the price of the boat that we were on, and we were like, like 60 grand. He was like, no, like 200
million.
Yeah, like something ridiculous. We were like, oh.
Right.
And then we were looking at there's like this massive yacht in the marina, and it was like boats like that start charging $1 million a meter.
And he was like, that's probably like 50
Meters.
meters, so it'll be like 50 million pounds.
Like Jeff Bezos. Hey.
Hey.
Though they were kind of like sugar daddy vibes last night, but they were all with their sons. It was a bit awkward.
I just love like the vibe there. Like I just feel like everyone's out to have a good time.
Yeah.
Like I was saying to Rach yesterday, I just want to move here or like somewhere. I feel like I'm done with the UK now.
That was a genuine conversation at the table. I was like, yeah, but Hannah, like, do you want to move here, or will the novelty like wear off of it being like IBIZA? Like, this is serious.
Okay, well maybe not
Do a
forever,
season.
but like I want to be here. I don't want to go home in a week. Like I want to stay here until the end of summer now. Do you know what I mean?
Oh my god.
Do you know what I mean?
Oh my god. Well, yeah.
We could do that though.
No,
We could
I've got stuff to do. But could I do it out here?
We could so work out. I mean, the job that you've got on, to be fair, you have to be at home for. But
That's
like
true.
most work we do, we could be in another country for.
I could just do the job and come back.
Okay, I'll wait for you. I'll just stay here and wait for you.
Remember, we're trying to get ready in 40 minutes.
Yeah.
We have 30 minutes left. What you're not going to do is spend 17 minutes of those on your eyebrows.
Okay. I am the birthday queen today, so like you're
Oh
not
yeah,
allowed
sorry.
to
That was
take-
that's the okay. But it's because I want us to have a passion.
No, I do. So
And we do have,
you're
so we
right.
have to be serious.
All right. I think we're all ready. About on time. Ocean Beach doesn't open until 1. I think I'm going to vlog the rest of the day on my phone just because I'm taking this little bag out, which is actually the bag that Mads and Rach got me for my birthday. Yeah, I don't want to risk losing this as well because knowing me, somehow I will. But we're all ready. I'm absolutely obsessed with this outfit. I think this is my favourite thing you've worn yet.
Well, look at us ruining our like cute fits with the white shirts.
Yeah, it is quite upsetting.
But it's fucking hot and our backs have been toasted, so
it's a necessity at this point.
we'll get some sun cream.
I'm wearing a bikini from, well, the bikini top is Jaded London, and then my bikini bottoms, you can't really see, but they are Opoly. I felt like the green matched the top really nicely, and I've got a matching sarong for this as well, which is really cute. Okay, we're back at Passion. I don't know what I'm gonna get today. I got the posh brunch the other day, which you'll see in a later vlog. But I think I'm just gonna get the same without the salmon today. I've had so much salmon on this trip, I feel like I'm actually salmoned out, which I never thought I'd ever say. What are you getting?
Well, now I'm actually suddenly like, do I want something sweet?
Oh, I mean they do really good pancakes and things. And then I think we'll probably get a juice. Brekkie is here. I just got poached eggs and avocado. Rachel's got a little side of ham, bacon, turkey, and some scrambled eggs, your fave. Okay, we're currently at Ocean. Thank God they've managed to like sort our table out, because obviously initially it was going to be 5 of us here, so we did book a VIP table. But they've downsized us and like reduced our minimum spend so that it's like more manageable for 2 people, because I don't think we would have got through that alcohol anyway. And if we did,
So much, like this is so nice, perfect size.
yeah, perfect. So we just
Shout
got
out JP at Ocean Beach.
yeah, we just got 2 tequila jugs. I don't know why we ordered 2. I feel like we're suddenly getting quite carried away, and I am scared.
Why not?
Oh, go on, fill me up.
Go on, again.
Go on. That is lovely. Somehow we've almost got through 2 jugs of that. I'm not too sure how, but cheers.
Vibe right now.
It's just living life. It actually is. So far, I would rate this birthday a 10 out of 10. You have made it so special and wonderful, because you are special.
Oh, shut up.
It's true. Okay,
Someone
so
tell me what that is.
supposedly this is the Italian platter that we ordered. Although, is that burrata? That's meant to be burrata. Alright, I'm not convinced, but like, we'll give it a go. Guys, we just got back to the hotel and there's a little birthday cake.
That says happy birthday in Spanish.
It
Or
must do. Like celebrations or something. Oh wait, okay. Got some macaroons as well. They bring like fresh bakery stuff every day, which is really cute. And there's a little card. That's so cute. Aww. Right, anyway guys, we are back at the hotel. Had such a fun day at Ocean Beach. I feel like actually a little bit wiped out now.
You sound it.
Do I?
Hi.
Honestly, do you know what? I was like so close to like falling asleep for a nap, and you know when you get to that point where it's like you could literally just about nap but you don't. So it's like I'm still sleepy in that sense, but I didn't have the nap. Do you know what I'm saying? But we're going back to Tetal, if that's how it's pronounced. So yeah, I think we're just gonna get like a quick body shower. I'm not gonna wash my hair just because I'm gonna keep it up just for time, because we need to be there for like 9:30 and we've only got about an hour. So watch this be the quickest getting ready you've ever seen. All right, we are ready for dinner. Do you know what? That was a quick turnaround, guys. I'm actually really proud of us. Like
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. I really appreciate that, because I have picked myself up a bit. There was a moment there that I was just like, I'm going to bed.
But sometimes all you need is a 2-minute, like, just
a sec. A quick body shower, makeup touch up, and we're good to go. I feel like we've coordinated this whole trip. Like, we're very
accidentally
similar satin dress vibes. So yeah, we're gonna go to
our favourite place.
Tetal or Tatel?
Tatel.
Tatel. Okay, Rachel's literally having to like do the most, but we're back at Tatel. I've got the black cod, so yummy. We've got the biggest pot of truffle mash you've ever seen. It's so good. And yeah, we've got a bottle of wine to share. We've got some asparagus.
I've got nothing.
Yeah, you are currently without food. So yeah, yummy.